Humans and nature are born together. In today's hectic life, have you ever wanted to get close to nature again? Swankiri Exclusive Farm Resort is located in the valley, surrounded by mountains and beautiful scenery of Mae Rim area in Chiang Mai, with spacious area of over 40 rai. It is located approximately 800 meters above sea level. The weather is cool all year round and the air is always fresh. The sounds of birds and various creatures blend with the sound of natural streams flowing through the resort. These natural sounds play harmonious music all day long. We have 3 types of rooms to create a relaxing and close to nature experience for you and your loved ones. Villa rooms. For those who want privacy and luxurious stay in extra large rooms. There are many styles to choose from to create a different experience every time you come to stay. Deluxe room. Designed to fulfill all needs for those traveling with their families and needing interconnecting rooms. There are many views to choose from: lake view, swimming pool view, and rice field view. And the standard rooms. The rooms are fully equipped with comforts to make you feel like you are staying in your own home. We grow organic rice that is rich in GABA nutrient which has cancer-fighting properties. We also grow wine, mulberry, and coffee. We serve breakfast made from ingredients that we grow ourselves: rice porridge, mulberry jam, and hot coffee every morning, because we want you to be healthy in both body and in mind. At Swankiri, we have a wide range of activities ready to take care of you. We are also close to many famous tourist attractions. Let us take care of you so that you can relax, create good memories, and be closer to nature than anyone.